Hello, I'm Jeff Garwood, Global Product Manager for Regal Rexnord in their food conveying group. The differentiating factors for the 6400 series spiral cage belting come out of a lot of interviews with OEMs and end users. We were able to determine that the strength and stiffness of the belt were highly important, along with product surface support, but still allowing for airflow. One smaller important piece was that we were able to offer a flame retardant material, which we will do at launch. Because sanitation and hygiene is important to the food industry, we designed the belt to be open at the hinges and allow for good, what we call airflow, but also allow for good cleaning agent and water to flow through the belt. The end user, that's where the strength comes into play. So the strength of the belt allows the end user to, one, choose between longevity, heavier loads, or running the belt faster or throughput. So basically we're helping them with their operational efficiency or getting additional value out of their expensive CapEx type of spends on spiral cage belting. Good question there on how do we differentiate the design. The strength of the belt is driven by our Powerkey. The Powerkey spreads the tension of the belt across multiple hinge eye on the outer module. We also use a stainless steel rod, which gives us lateral beam strength, allowing for less deflection across heavier loads within systems. So that's in a nutshell for the KleanTop 6400 spiral cage belt from Regal Rexnord. If you'd like more information, please go to regalrexnord.com/6400. Thank you.